Creating a blog entry. So here is a typical blog entry, and it has categories assigned to it. You can include a photo and some text. If we go to the Start menu, modify or delete entry, and using our channel filter, select blog. Here we have a list of all the blog entries that are on the site. Currently we just have one. If I click clone, I'm going to create a new blog entry by cloning the existing. Similar to cloning a page, I replace the title. I'm going to change the header, and I'm going to give the page a unique URL. I'm going to change the text that appears on the page. I'm just going to edit some of this text out. And again, in the long content description, I'm going to do the same. I'm also going to change the image that appears in the blog entry. And similarly to changing a background image on a page, I remove the image that's there, and I look for the image that I want in its corresponding folder. I can change the text that appears over the image as well. I could add a new image so that they scroll through. And just the same way I edit images on a page, I can drag and drop this one above the previous one. In my category tags, I can select the categories I want this blog entry to appear in. I can also edit the categories and create a new category. I click Add Categories, give it a name, and then I must click Done on the right-hand side of the page. And once I've done that, my new category's appeared, and I can then select it. I can click on the Mobile tab and assign the image I want to appear on a mobile device. Now, blog entries are different to event entries in that the blog entry must be a previous date. If I was to put tomorrow, the blog entry wouldn't appear until tomorrow. So I'm going to choose yesterday as a past date. And just checking I've done everything correctly, I'm going to click Submit. So I have my confirmation page. Then when I refresh my blog page, here we can see immediately the new blog entry has been added. Here I'm currently seeing all blog entries for all categories. And when I click Read More, I can see the complete entry. I can then filter by category as well while I'm browsing the web page to see everything that's in the city category or the pool category. And that's how we'd create a new blog entry.